And lastly, for this Yes to Press website, I wanted to rebrand the colors so that everything on the page is that blue. So essentially I just went to front page colors, and everywhere where I saw that red color, I selected the color and grabbed this blue. And I did that for every single time I saw red, I changed it to that blue color, and then I saved it. So now if you go to my home page, and let me refresh this because it hasn't updated, you will see that I have the blue icons, everything's blue, and it runs together nicely now. It's not different colors, and it's consistent. So I just changed all those colors, so obviously you're going to want to rebrand it to the colors that you currently use. And the last thing I want to do is just get rid of this sample page, and then this site is pretty much ready to show the world. And I'm just going to go to, that was a little preview of a website we're going to be designing in just the next couple sections. But let's go back into the back end here in yes2press.com, and I just want to go to my pages. I'm just going to select all pages, and I'm just going to delete this sample post or this sample page. We can just throw that in the trash, and there we go. Now we'll finally have our sites ready to go. Everything looks good. We only have the 3 pages we want. Now obviously you can add more pages. It's as simple as adding a page and then putting whatever content you want in that. So that could be services, maybe it's an actual portfolio page. You guys know what you're doing now, and I hope you join me in building the next website in this course.